Dear students, this is the video which is related to the reflection, and it is the fourth video in the row. Earlier we understand transformation, 2D transformation. In this video we understand the reflection. Reflection is very simple. It is the mirror image of an object in 2D form. So mirror image about x-axis or y-axis. So we have here four type of reflections, in which first type is reflection about the x-axis, second is reflection about y-axis. This is the object and it is the replica of, this is the object and this is the replica of the object. You can say either of the way. And third one is understand this is the reflection about the plane perpendicular to the xy plane which passes through the horizon. Okay, and the fourth type is a reflection about a particular line. Here is the line is y is equal to x. Okay, and it we can also call it as a rotation about the 180 degree. And another thing, just like the other transformations, in this type of transformation, there is no change in size and shape. The object is same as that of it is earlier before the reflection. Okay, so one by one we understand. First one about the x-axis, second we about the y-axis, third plane, and fourth, and in the end we understand one example. Okay, so reflection about x-axis, what it means, we make the x-axis as a mirror and the reflection of that particular object of a object is called the reflected object. So one by one we have to calculate the coordinate of each object after the reflection. So obviously here the point 2 and 3 which is very close to the mirror and it also appear close after the reflection. Okay, the point which is very far away from the mirror, it reflect away from the mirror. So in the numerical form we can say that P dash is equal to P dot Rx. X is the what is the meaning of this X here? X about what it means is reflection about the x-axis. So in this case X dash becomes the same but y becomes negative. So simple. You know, understand that here is the positive y, here is the negative, but in the x part we have a positive. It is so simple in the matrix form. X dash y dash is equal to multiply with the matrix. Matrix is 1 0 0 1. This 1 represent the x, this minus 1 represent y, into multiplied by x into y. Okay, so in the homogeneous form we understand when 3 by 3 matrix, so obviously we introduce one column and one row, and identity row or column where one is at the corner and other points are 0 and 0. This is the reflection board axis. Similarly, in this very similar manner, there is another reflection, that is the y-axis, the reflection board, the y-axis. What do you see here? Here the triangle, object and object is reflected as, here the point represent, here the 3 point is very close to the mirror, so it is very appear as very close, and 2 and 1 are just away, so obviously it represent away from the mirror. And in the numerical form P dash is equal to P R Y. So change is here Y. What it means, the reflection is about the Y. And what is the change here? Now we know that in here X is a negative but the Y is a positive. So here is a X dash is equal to minus X and Y is equal to Y dash is equal to Y. What it means, the after the reflection the point of the y is same as that of the before reflection. So here is the matrix form, xy is equal to minus 1 0 0 1 into 0 x into y. Okay, in the homogeneous form again we represent this matrix is and add the identity rows and column, we get this thing. In the similar manner, now next we understand about a plane which is perpendicular to the xy plane. Let we suppose here is the origin and we draw a particular perpendicular plane. Okay, so here is a 2D. I can't show you. Here is a perpendicular plane. So when that plane is work as a mirror, so reflection after that is considered as a perpendicular to the y-axis plane. So 3 point is very near to the mirror and it reflected very near, and other 2 point are away. In here we represent the reflection are represented as x, y, and in the both x and y are negative. When we find the x dash and y dash, we get the negative value of x and y. Here is the matrix -1, -1. In the homogeneous one, we find the same thing. Okay. Now it is the last. It is a reflection about a particular line. Okay, so particular line here we consider as y is equal to x. We understand y is equal to x is the line whose slope is 1 and the angle with the x-axis is 45 degree. Okay, so it is a now this particular line becomes the mirror for reflecting a particular object. This transformation done in 3 steps. So what is that? First, rotate the object in clockwise with 45 degree. Obviously here we use the matrix of the rotation. After that, reflect about the x-axis, then again rotate counterclockwise with 45 degree. Just rotate it, then reflect it, again rotate it, we can find the same image. So obviously here is a composite, which is the next topic, our next topic. Here is p dash is equal to p into r minus 45 degree, because it is a clockwise direction. In that we consider it as it turn in the opposite direction. Rx here is the rotation and sorry, reflection about x-axis. Here r45, it is a rotation about 45 degree in counterclockwise, but it means in the reverse order to reach it at the same place. Okay, so it is represent y is equal to x, and what is that? After the reflection in this y is equal to x line, x dash becomes y and y dash becomes x. So x dash y side is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0 multiplied with 0, 1, and in the homogeneous form we find this thing. So it is very simple to understand this thing. Now understand we understand one question. Question of reflection. Let me find this. So find the coordinate of the triangle ABC after the sorry, here is we have the not rotation. Here is the reflection about the x-axis. Okay, reflection about x-axis. The points are A22, B62, and C is 46. So in this diagram, here is the 2, here is the B, here is the C. After the reflection, this triangle becomes this. How do we find these coordinates? And here is the graph. First, A dash is equal to ARX. Obviously, here is a matrix which is used for the x-axis, and then reflection about x-axis. Okay, multiply with the point, we get this thing. Again, do the same thing with the 6, 2 point, we get a negative. Again, do with the 4, 6 point, we get the 4 minus 6. And after that, drawing these points on the graph, obviously it is very simple. Here is the x-axis, and you have to point out the points, and we get this thing. So this video is related to the reflection. If you have any query, you can put the comment in the this comment box. Also subscribe the channel for getting the other videos. Right now I am speaking in English because this software allow me to speak only in English, not in Hindi, because you are seeing that there is a description at the bottom for that thing. But other videos are I made the other video in totally in Hindi in very easy manner. This video is the part of a subject which is computer graphics, and you can see you can watch the other videos on this playlist, and subscribe this channel, like it, comment it. Thank you.